What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Loren if you're new here, and welcome to the video. This is a fun one. This is something I've wanted to do for a while now, and a couple weeks ago I ordered off Amazon a box of Australian snacks just because I've wanted to try so many of them for so long, so I figured, why not? So that's basically what this video is. Some of it is already half eaten because I started eating this box before I filmed anything, so keep watching. Okay, so first things first. This is the box. This is what everything came in. And it came with two little bags of shapes, but I ate those like right off the bat. And I knew I would, so I also ordered a bigger box of a different flavor. The snack box came with, I think it was barbecue. I think it was barbecue, yeah. And these are cheese and bacon. These are amazing. Okay, yeah, sorry. These are really, really good, and I'm obsessed with them. I want more. So it came with a whole bunch of fun stuff. There we go. Better. These little tiny teddies. Two of those. Oh no, one of those, I'm sorry. And then these. But the first thing I'm going to try is actually Vegemite. And I'm excited to try this. I have right here some toast with butter. Fuck, I forgot to bring up a knife. Okay, that's fine. So I'm opening it. Oh, I don't know why that surprised me. Obviously, it's gonna have a seal on it. Okay. Oh, the seal gets peeled off. No. It does not smell good, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put. Okay. Okay, that's that. I don't have a knife, but I have a spoon, so we're gonna hope that works. Didn't work as well as I thought it would. Didn't work as well as I thought it would, but that's okay. I don't think I got any Vegemite in that bite. Yeah, I definitely didn't. Oh, it's really salty. That's good. It's saltier than what I was expecting, but not bad. Not bad. Probably nothing I'm going to like go out and get again. But not as bad as I was expecting. I don't like the crust on my bread. Okay. Vegemite, not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, hold on, let me just... I was expecting it to be like really bad, but it was actually pretty good. I definitely like it. Vegemite, good. And there was also like two little chocolate frogs, and little chocolate frogs filled with caramel. I gave those to my brother, so I'm not gonna taste those, but I would imagine they taste like a caramel filled chocolate frog. So we're gonna try these little Scotch fingers now. Oh, they're all broken. That's sad. Oh, good. For cookie. Those are good. I like those. Now, little tiny teddy chocolate. I feel like these are gonna taste like Teddy Grahams. Oh, they look just like Teddy Grahams. Look at that. Just like a Teddy Graham. I'm sure it tastes just like a Teddy Graham, and I love that. For these, she goes chewy chocolate flavored jelly babies. I'm kind of afraid to try these. I'm kind of afraid. Coffee. Let me try. Ooh, look at a little man. Look at that. There's a little man. Oh, bite his head off. This is weird. I like these little chocolate men. Oh, I lied. We have another. We did have another. I did have one chocolate koala left. I think there was 3 then. So we're gonna eat him. And this is. Oh, almost dropped him. Look at it. Look at the little koala. I love chocolate. It's good. Oh, good. Caramello koala. I'm sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. I like that. And we got cherry ripe. This is ripe, juicy cherries and coconut and old Goldridge dark chocolate. I'm gonna hate this. I can feel it. I'm gonna hate this. Not for me. Nope. Nope. I don't like coconut. Ugh, that was not fun. No. I don't. You know what? It wouldn't be bad if it was just cherry inside the chocolate, but I can't fuck with coconut like that. No. No, I don't like the way that tastes. That was not fun. Don't recommend. Okay. Next up we have the violet crumble. I just realized the way I'm filming this, everything's going to be backwards. Because I'm filming this from my phone and not from, like, an actual camera pointed at me. Should have thought that one through, but... oh, well. It's chocolate-coated honeycomb. I like this. That's good. I like that a lot. That's good. I like that a lot. I'm gonna eat that now. Okay. And the last thing in here is something I've had before. Sorry. I have the box sitting on my laptop and I was just pressing a whole bunch of keys. So, in America, we have Tams. They're sold. I get mine at Target usually, but they're different, like, packaging than, I guess, the Australian, obviously, because it's not the same, I don't think. But I like the ones I get at Target. So I don't know how much differently the Australian ones taste. We're going to find out. They can't be bad. You know, there's no way they could be bad. So these are the ones that came in the box. And the American ones, they come in similar packaging, similar, you know, name. Excuse me. Just like a little purple packaging, kind of. I don't even have it like another box to compare, but I'm so excited about this. I love Tams. Go back it up. No. Okay. I wish I had the American ones just to do a taste test together. Because I feel like they taste the same, but it's delicious either way. The chocolate in this is definitely richer. It's really good. I'm gonna finish that cookie when I'm done with this. So yeah, that's all that came in this box. It's a cute little, I guess, snack pack to call it, that I saw on Amazon, and I figured I'd try it. If there's any other, like, Australian snacks you think I should try, leave a comment down below, or any other just, like, just in general, any other non-American snacks you think I should try, just leave a comment down below, and I'll check out me on doing a video like this. This was fun. I'll try just about anything. Just hopefully nothing else with coconut in, because that's gross. I can't. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Enjoy, guys.